Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today is this beautiful mint condition 2012 IS250 Lexus. This is a fully loaded model of the IS250, and this one is in super mint condition. I mean, near perfect condition, inside and out. 3 previous owners, no reported accidents, auto check certified. Also has brand new tires all the way around. The beautiful hyper gray wheels, nice revised front bumper, nice updated DRLs for those LEDs in the headlights, so all of that new style design. So automatic HID headlights, we get fog lights, 2.5 V6. So direct injection, 2.5 V6, right around 200 horsepower. Still gets up and goes, and comes with 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless smart entry, full leather interior, full dashboard and door panel replacement through Lexus. Everything's been done. This interior is like brand new, no smoke, no pets, no odd odors, just smells like fresh factory new Lexus. Got that beautiful brushed nickel, got the nice faux granite wood grain trim, comes with full navigation system, rear backup camera, Bluetooth connectivity, dual climate controls, automatic AC, XM satellite radio, as well as AM FM. Also have heated and ventilated front seats, both all working. Charging port, cup holder, USB auxiliary connectivity, nice clean center console. This is not a burn mark. Not sure what this is, but this is the only flaw in the entire car, is right there. But it comes with dual illuminated vanity mirrors. Everything is just super clean. All the touch points are very nice. Like, everything just feels new. Like crisp plastic, not harshly used. I mean, a perfect dashboard, no melting nowhere, not even at the top. I mean, this is a brand new dash, brand new door panels. This is essentially one of the cleanest IS250s I have personally ever sold. I haven't seen one this clean since they were new. Comes with rear AC, all the factory floor mats, all the center console, armrest storage, cup holders, perforated leathers, perfect throughout. I mean, if you were ever in the market for this body style and you're not buying an ISF, you have to get this one. This one is perfect. Got the Lexus clear plastic, or clear 3M film from the factory. Has the full spare tools, jack, everything included. Just absolutely stunning condition. Like I said, I haven't seen one this clean since they were new. Comes with that very nice, classy spoiler. Has the dual exit exhaust, tinted windows, sunroof, full power windows, locks, mirrors, full auto on all the windows, seats, just, I mean, beautiful. Just small, minor wrinkling, but bolsters still really tight, really good. Nothing squished. Comes with hood and fuel door release. It also has traction control and then interior illumination adjustments, as well as warning max adjustments. Also has really nice touch points there, paddle shifters. Comes with 81,000 original miles. You can scroll through all those menus. I mean, the steering wheel's like brand new. Cruise control, Bluetooth, volume, stereo controls, push to start, you know, fully loaded, everything working. Auto dimming rear view mirror, home link, compass, temperature gauge. Has the nice LED map lighting, those are working. Sunroof's working. All the windows, locks, mirrors, I mean, everything. Fully working, ready to go. Revs up beautifully, idles smoothly. It even comes with a factory original windshield, no cracks, no chips, side impact airbags. This is one clean IS. I am so excited to be able to offer this one, because this one is just perfection, inside and out. You can't find flaws with this vehicle. It's a near perfect Lexus IS, telling you. Come down and see us. This is one great car. These last 300,000–400,000 miles, they're great cars, easy to maintain, fun to drive, killer classic good looks. come down and see us where you can find this beautiful 2012 Lexus IS 250 Premium. You can find this one exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.